In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up the DS212 mini digital oscilloscope. Here's the oscilloscope package. Inside the package, you'll find the mini oscilloscope, a set of DSO hooks, the probe, a hex key, and the safety instructions that we're not going to need at this point. Let's first take a look at the probe. This probe is very similar to the probe you'll find in a lab. You'll find a number of parts in the pouch, so I'll show you how to put them together. First, from this mini plastic bag, take out one of the rings, doesn't matter which color. Then take the cable and put the ring on the threaded end of the cable. Take the main body of the probe and thread it onto the cable. From the mini plastic bag again, you'll want to take out one of the metal tips. The tip will also go on the main body of the probe. Next up is the ground alligator clip. And you can click the clip onto the body of the probe. Lastly, we'll take this little cap and put it on the probe as well. Next up is a DSO hook connector. In the pouch, you'll find the main cable and a pair of leads. This end of the cable will connect to the oscilloscope. The other end is where you'll be connecting the leads. It's the ground lead and the positive lead. If you push on the lead, you'll notice a metal hook come out of the other end. Attach this hook to wherever the signal is supposed to be injected. Here's the actual oscilloscope. On the left here is where you'll be connecting the probes. Let's take a look at this probe for example. You'll notice that these probes have MCX connections instead of the BNC connections you're used to seeing in the lab. These connections are much simpler, as you can just push them into the channel that you want. When you're done, you can simply pull them out. In this video, we took a look at how we can put together the DS212 oscilloscope. In our next video, we'll discuss the basic features we need to operate the scope.